Hey YouTubers, welcome back again. Thanks for watching video and subscribing. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to start a lawnmower if it's been sitting there for a while or it's the start of the season. Basically, engine needs three things to run, that is fuel, air and a spark. But you need more than that to be in the right order. So first thing, before I start an engine, always check the oil is in the right level. This seems to be on the right level, so this is good. This is not very clean, but it works. Second thing you need is a petrol. That's E85, and the air. The air goes through the carburetor, so carburetor has to be cleaned. So next thing is spark plug. It's got a spark plug. This Briggs and Stratton, it doesn't need prime. It's auto choke, so you just pull the pull cord. But some machine you need a prime. So this machine, before you start, you prime 3 times and pull the pull cord, putting the throttle cable on the high. Same as other Briggs and Stratton mass sport. I check the oil is in good condition and a level as well. I just put the fresh fuel in. Filter still good, so hope the spark plug is still good. It's in. So let me give 3 prime, 2, 3, and then start. If the machine doesn't start, try spraying quick start in the intake, and that should be able to do the job. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.